It is very easy to add and use tags in the YT Studio Creator Studio app. In the YouTube Studio app, it is very easy to use and add tags into your video, like I am showing you here, just by hitting the enter and just by comma separated keyword phrases. Like this video, I have added some tags. I have not added all the tags. I have added some tags and I am showing you how to do that. It is very easy, very simple work. In this add text option, you have to click first. So your device keyboard will be enabled, where you have to write the text that you want to add, like relevant text like US Navy official YouTube channel. Then you have to click this enter button. I click that. So this add tag is added. And another way is comma separated. How to do that? US Navy authentic YouTube channel. Click comma. US Navy real YouTube channel. Then write comma. Then I write my channel name. Channel, if you put your channel name, write comma. Then your all videos will be suggested to one another. The possibility will increase. So that's it. It was very easy to do that. Just remember to click the save button. So your work will be done 100%. And that's easily you can add and use text in the YouTube Creator Studio app. Do you have any questions?